So today we're going to go over what we think is the easiest side hustle in the world. We're going to go, before we go into the what, why, and how, I want to tell you this, watch all the way through, because at the end I have got the ultimate free resource. I have got a guide, a quick start guide on this that you're going to want to get your hands on, and I'm going to tell you how to get your hands on it at the end of the video. So first, Grace, what do we think is then the easiest side hustle in the world?
I would definitely say being a mobile notary, so you can pick up a lot of these guys along the way.
As a matter of fact, just the other day, I picked up a couple more of these, and then a couple more after that, and was gone for maybe 2 hours. So definitely was an easy side hustle. The hardest part about that 300 or 400 that I made was that it was raining out. So
that's not fun.
But that's manageable. If that was if that was the worst of your worries. So why is being a mobile notary the easiest side hustle? Well, I'm going to say number one is going to be that it's actually pretty easy to get a notary commission or a notary license.
Become commissioned, of course.
So that would be your first step. Yep, get commissioned. This is pretty easy. You do it through most states. Right? Secretary sounds good to me. Yep.
Looks okay.
The Secretary of State's website. You sign up. If you're in luck, it's $100 or less, maybe a little more in some states. Depends.
Super affordable, super easy. Our 18-year-old is a notary commission. If he can do it, anybody can do it.
Exactly. Then you get one of these guys, and then what you're going to do once you're commissioned is you're going to want to get bonding and E&O insurance. So that would be step number 2.
Absolutely.
Now, a lot of people who try to Frankenstein this, we'll say mobile notary business, they get bamboozled into going to the National Notary Association and paying more than they need to. So in my guide, I'm going to show you some places that are better priced. But 2 would be to get bonding and errors and omissions insurance. This covers you in case you make an oopsie. You're going to be okay.
Protection.
Step 3 is going to be leads, right? It's going to be getting those jobs, notary jobs. Now, in the free guide we're going to give you, we are going to show you the top places to list your service, some of the top recommended to get you those calls to pick up these hundos. So what can you make with this? Well, I don't leave the house for less than $50 to $75, period, even if it's one stamp.
Yeah.
Yep. And if it's a couple of stamps, $100, and then up from there. So that is the essence of it. Now, what else do you think they need to know about this business? You got to have some transportation.
Of course.
Your license, your errors and omissions, and the leads. The great thing and why I think this is the easiest side hustle is, aside from that it's easy to learn and get started, and there's not really a lot of overhead. I'm assuming most people have some form of transportation and maybe a computer.
Printer is helpful.
A printer would be helpful, yep. But other than that,
I mean, I also want to add that being a notary can lead into so many other things too. So it can be its own little lead magnet where you're going into people's homes, you're having conversations. Now what can I do for you? What else do you need? And then the wheels start turning. You start adding more services.
You're right. I wasn't going to go there yet, but I'm glad she did. So
you can't leave that up for the people.
Right. We started as a mobile notary side hustle. And it has expanded into now running in what we call a multi-service agency. So it has become very lucrative, and we'll talk more about that in a second. But yes, you don't have to stay here. You could do that. You could side hustle. Maybe you want to pay off a few debts. Maybe you want to save for that big cruise. But you can totally do this and sock away some extra money. You could potentially replace your job with this or exceed your job's income. I know I did. But yes, you can use this as a springboard to bounce your way into much bigger and better things. And that is what is really neat about this, is all the time freedom from working 2 hours a day. How many hours did we work today? Not much.
We did a divorce, and we went and did that, and we made about $1,000 in about 3 hours. Probably about 3 hours.
So now we've got all this spare time to make videos like this.
It's date night. We're taking that to the movie theater tonight.
So pretty cool. This is a pretty cool lifestyle, really.
We love it.
So let's talk about the gift for you, the the Mobile Notary Quick Start Guide. What we're going to do is give you a guide that shows you where to go to get the commissions, the links for getting commissioned, the best prices to get bonding, and the best initial places to list your services so that you can get leads automatically. Now, ideally, as you grow and expand, you learn to market yourself and do these other things. But what is great about this mobile notary is there's so many businesses like ours that have an abundance of leads. I can't go fill them all. We're not going to go fill them all. And so we are hiring other notaries for $50 all the way up to $100 for very simple paperwork. So with that, if you would like our free guide, you have to comment in the comments, Mobile Notary Quick Start Guide.
That's a mouthful. How about free guide?
How about free guide? Okay. Free guide in the comments, and we'll send you the link to where you can go grab that free guide. Now, if you want to see how simple being a mobile notary is, how simple the documents are that you can do, you're going to want to watch this video right here. On that, there's a series of videos on different documents that we notarize. Now, if you want to see how we turn this from a 6-figure side hustle into a 7-figure agency, you're going to want to watch this video right here. So that is it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on one of those videos, and don't forget to like and subscribe.